Looking for hair and makeup inspiration this Christmas season? Well, look no further. I've got two young ladies who are definitely going to be able to help you out with that situation. Hair inspiration by yours truly, and makeup inspiration by Candy World TV, aka Beats by Candice. So check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tanisha, also known as Naturally Nishy. So today we're going to be doing a quick rod set in preparation for another style. So if you'd like to see how I do my rod sets, then definitely keep on watching. So for this particular style, I actually wanted to do like a set on blown out hair, like stretch hair. If you are opposed to heat, you can like stretch your hair without heat. You could plait it or braid it and let that sit for a while. Like my hair isn't like really super blown out, but I just wanted it to be stretched, not necessarily straight, you know. So the other thing I like to do when I'm doing my rod sets is that I often find that my rod sets turn out way better if I use some type of gel or like something with a strong hold. I don't find mousses give me enough hold, especially in the Caribbean. Humidity can be a whole scene. So I find that gels usually give me the most amount of longevity when it comes to doing rod sets. So that's where we're at, and that's where we're gonna start off with. So I'm just gonna section my hair, and I'm using small to medium sections. Like I said, I already added my leave-in conditioner and I blow dried my hair. I added my leave-in conditioner, sealed my hair, and now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the gel. And I like to get that all on the ends and then comb it through the entire length of my hair. And I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser brush and just kind of smooth the product through my strands. Next up, gonna add the rods. Now you could do this on flexi rods, perm rods, whatever you have. I prefer flexi rods just because you get more of an elongated curl, but I'm literally just going to wrap the end around the flexi rod, and instead of doing the Shirley Temple kind of, is it Shirley Temple, is that the correct thing? I can't remember, but I'm going to use the windmill wrapping motion. I generally don't do this, but I wanted to go for a bit of a different look this time around. And so you kind of wrap it around in a windmill motion and just kind of secure it like that. So again, you want to wrap your ends around the flexi rod and make sure you wrap it so that when you tug, like, it isn't going anywhere. And then you just want to wind your hair, twirl the flexi rod so that your hair just kind of goes up. And then when you get to this point, you want to bend the flexi rod over your roots to secure it in place, and bend this back up just to make it a bit more easy to sleep with. So yeah, that's basically the process that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to finish the rest off camera, and then I will be back to show you the takedown and what the actual flexi rod set looks like when I'm done. So I will see you guys back more than likely in the morning, so see you later. Hey guys, so I am back. Obviously finished set my hair and I slept on it overnight. It actually wasn't too bad because I bended the rollers in half, so it wasn't like sticking out and causing me to not get a decent night's sleep. So legit, I'm just going to go in and take off the rods in the opposite direction that I would have put them in. So let me just show you guys one in front, and you literally just unwind same direction and you get a nice little curl there. Just unwinding the flexi rod, or unwinding my hair off of the flexi rod and just letting it fall. So I'm just going to be removing the rest of the flexi rods from my hair, and as I told you guys before, just unwinding it in the opposite direction. So when we're finished taking out all of the rods, then we're going to move on to separating the hair and fluffing it even further. So as you could see, I'm just pinning up some of my hair and going through really gently where the hair naturally wants to separate, and you'll see some of those where it just literally falls apart. That is exactly what you want, and that's partly why I use gel. It really helps to let the hair just piece apart really nicely. And as you can see here, I started closer to the front where my hair textures are looser. I twisted the root of my hair and then I placed it on the flexi rod so that when you're taking it out, it helps you to separate even better. So if you have a hair type that is prone to not being able to want to cooperate, you could braid or twist your hair at the root and it'll help a lot in terms of separating. So here I am finished separating all of my hair. I'm just gonna give it a nice little shake, and this is basically hairstyle number 1. You could obviously rock your hair as is. You could go in also if you want a little bit more volume and just fluff the roots only. Like, don't go crazy, don't go ham. I'm just going in at the roots. So here we have our hair separated and fluffed, hairstyle number 1. So hairstyle number 2, I am going to do a little bit more of a sophisticated look if you don't want your hair in your face, or if you want just a different look. I am just taking some of my Ecostyle gel and slicking back my hair. And I did a deep side part. So the hair below that side part is where I am just going to twist and roll my hair going to the back of my head, to the base, closer to my neck, so that all of the hair on that side is being tucked into this roll. Now you could do a flat twist, you could do a braid to, give it a different look. Just for ease and simplicity, I did a little roll and tuck kind of look. So you carry that all the way to the back of your head, and then you would take a bobby pin when you get enough to the other side of your head, as much as you would want. You go in and you take a bobby pin and you secure that roll, or whether you do a flat twist or a braid, you take your bobby pin and secure it, and that is literally the style. It is that easy, that simple, and then you have all of your other curls framing your face on the other side. I just went in and accessorized. You could go ahead and do the same. You could use bobby pins as I did here, the colored gold ones. Gold is usually like a really nice metal that people use for holiday time. It's really festive. I just did a little H for holiday. But of course you could go ahead and accessorize any other way that you see fit. You could put a flower, you could put those decorated beads. You could go to town with this and really kind of make it your own. So there we have hairstyle number 2. As you can see, really sophisticated, really classy, and extremely simple. Just have all of like your side swept flexi rod curls, and they look amazing. So now that I've taken back out my hair for hairstyle number 3, I am literally just going to take down some tendrils to frame my face. I'm going to take down some at right above my ear as well as at the nape of my neck, and of course I'm going to have to do that on both sides. So after we take down those tendrils, I go ahead and I pin up the rest of my hair kind of like into an updo type of style, and this is going to be a really messy look. You don't want it to look perfect because that is the beauty of the curls. So just gonna take a bobby pin right now and just pin up the hair so that it stays in place, and you're just gonna do literally the same on the other side. Pin up all of that hair, and I'm just trying to fluff out the roots at this point. Actually forgot to take down my tendrils, so I'm doing that now. And I think those really just add like an extra kind of classy look to any type of updo. It just, like, to me, it just carries it up a notch. So again, pinning the other side, and there we have our hair up. And like I said, this is a really messy type of curly look, so it doesn't really require much of you. You could just, wherever it feels good to pin, just go ahead and do that. So I'm pinning up the other side, and I have a lot of the curls framing my face. I'm just fluffing up at the top and literally that is hairstyle number 3, and these took me like 2 minutes each to do. I mean, apart from the actual flexi rod style, you could accomplish this in literally less than 5 minutes. So you guys have seen all of the hairstyles I was able to create. They're really elegant, sophisticated hairstyles that you could rock for this Christmas season, whether you have a Christmas party to go to, you have to go to church, you have New Year's Eve coming up. I know lots of people love to go to New Year's Eve parties and you just want to look, you know, classy and look your best. Now you could do this with a perm rod set, you could do this with a twist out, a braid out, a wash and go, just whatever base you decide to use. You could literally create the same hairstyles. For me personally, I like to do flex rod sets or rod sets for more formal occasions or more elegant type of hairstyles, just because I'm accustomed wearing my hair in twist outs, wash and goes, so it just gives me an extra different look, you know. Girl, even if you are not natural, you're relaxed, you're transitioning, this was my go-to style when I was transitioning, so I definitely know you transitioning ladies can accomplish this style. Just have to, you know, tweak it to whatever your situation is. It's up to you to, you know, personalize it the way you want. You could add accessories, you could add a little flower on the side, you know, you could do different things to kind of jazz it up and, you know, make it look even more special. So your girl has got you in terms of giving you hairstyle options to rock for any of those events. And if you ever are stumped and you need like makeup inspiration for Christmas season, definitely check out my girl Candy's World TV here on YouTube. Also, you can find her on Instagram at Beats by Candice. She is amazing when it comes to doing makeup tutorials, and she is definitely going to bring a beginner friendly Christmas inspired makeup tutorial that would be easy for anyone to follow, especially me, because I am not a makeup artist by any stretch of the imagination. So as soon as you finish watch this video, go ahead really quickly to her channel, her YouTube channel, as well as her Instagram page. I will link both of them down in the description box, and you can check out her beginner friendly makeup tutorial. Tell her I sent you. And definitely just share the love. She is a local makeup artist, so if you are ever needing your face beat for a certain event, she's your girl. So definitely check out, and again, let her know that I sent you. Show her some love. If you like this type of content, then definitely give me a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, sis or sir, what are you doing with your life? Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your holidays. I'm sure I'll see you before Christmas, but if you don't ever see my face, enjoy your holidays. And if you do celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas to you and your family, and I will see you guys in the very next video. So take care. Bye.